Welcome to my second Scratch tutorial video. And today I'm going to be teaching you a project called Aquarium. An aquarium simply means a tank of water where fishes and other sea creatures are kept. So let's get started. Okay, so today we don't need the cat, so the first thing we do is to delete the cat, and then we insert a new backdrop. In this case, the backdrop will be underwater, so you choose any backdrop of your choice. Okay, so you can see I'm choosing underwater too. Okay, nice backdrop. We are going to add a sprite. Remember, a sprite is the object that performs the action, and in this case our sprite is going to be fish, so we'll look for underwater and underwater. Okay, so we'll choose fish. Okay, so we'll click on OK. Okay, allow it to load. Wow, so we'll bring this down. So we'll go straight into the programming. Remember, our green flag is the start button and the red button beside it is the stop button. So we'll go to event block, remove when green flag clicked. That's when this flag is clicked, the game should start. And want the game to run forever, so we'll go to control and look for forever block. We'll remove it out. Then because we want it to move, so we'll go to motion. Look for the motion, move 10 step. Okay, the first one, fix it inside the forever block. Then let's play the game and see what it has for us. Okay, if you can see, the fish moved to the end of the screen and it's not coming back. So we need to add a code that will make it come back. Okay, so remember in our previous video we said something about if on edge bounce. That's when you get to the edge you should bounce and come back. So we'll bring out if on edge bounce, fix it under it. So let's see what happened. Okay, as you can see, the fish is coming back, but there's a problem. The fish is turning upside down. That is not what we want. So we'll stop this and look for, still under this motion, you look down, scroll down, you'll see set rotation style left to right, meaning when you add this code it should not turn again. The fish is not going to turn again. So you fix this, then you play it. Let's see. Okay, so it's not turning upside down. Now let's check for costume. Okay, this fish has just one costume. It has just one costume. So we are going to stop here. We are not going to add another line of code again. So we'll stop here for today. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.